Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So first of all I want to say I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're all going to be resting. I hope you're going to be spending lots of time with family and friends, drinking lots of alcohol if you like a drink, eating lots of nice food if you like eating nice food, and just generally chilling out from the stresses of day-to-day life. Now I've done a little Christmas setup here today, as you can see. I've got a miniature Christmas tree, Father Christmas, a couple of candles, and of course the Christmas 2-ounce antique coin. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with today's setup. Now I actually brought this miniature Christmas tree specially for today's setup. It was the smallest and cheapest one I could find on Amazon. I didn't want to spend a fortune, but I did think it was quite important to have some sort of Christmas theme going. I did ask Mrs. 365 first if I could borrow one of her Christmas trees, and she didn't even have to answer. The look on her face basically told me that if I was to go anywhere near her decorations, my life would not be worth living. So yeah, like I said, I had to go out and buy myself a miniature Christmas tree. I did actually think it would turn up with all of the decorations and all the rest of it on it. I kind of was a bit naive there. I thought I'd open the box from Amazon, I'd put some batteries in, turn it on, and there we go, have a Christmas tree. But it didn't happen that way. It turned up in a really thin box, which I had to slide out, and then I had to manually bend all of these branches out and try and make it look like a shape of a Christmas tree. So yeah, I think I've done okay. Mrs. 365 is out for the day now, so I couldn't enroll her to help, but I'm quite happy with how it looks. It's a Christmas tree. It's got some miniature baubles, it's got some cones on there, it's got some little bow things, and obviously it's got the lights as well. It also came with these little miniature presents that go around the bottom. So yeah, I think it was only, I don't know, £8.99 or something, including delivery. So under a tenner delivered. I'm quite pleased with that, really. And like I said, we've got the really nice Christmassy coin there. I think that's a better angle. I knocked it by mistake, but I think that's actually a better angle. It makes it shine a little bit more. We've got the 365 days of candle in the background there, still going strong. And then yeah, we have a little Santa again. He was from Amazon. I think he was £6.99, £7, something like that. So yeah, you can see I've kept it on a budget to stay in line with my 365 days of saving money, but we've also got a Christmassy feel at the same time. So let me know what you think of today's backdrop. I've literally just finished putting it all together, and I'm fairly happy with how it looks. The only problem I've got is, in order to fit everything on, I've had to set the camera angle up going along instead of going down. So the problem is now I'm going to have to do my unboxing today in mid-air. So I don't know how that's going to turn out, but we're gonna wing it and see how it goes. But today's video is the Secret Santa that the Stack Collector arranged. Now, we done a Secret Santa for the UK stacking content creators. Really cool of him, really great idea. So I want to say a massive thank you to the Stack Collector for arranging all of this and putting it all together. I know it was quite logistically hard to set it all up, and also it was quite hard when other people were messaging asking to get involved, and you had to turn them down and kind of draw the line and say, look, this is going to be just for UK content creators this time round, because I don't want it to be too complicated. It's my first Secret Santa and I want it to kind of go well. And then I think next year is going to look at a way of involving more people so the viewers can kind of get involved if they want to and all the rest of it. But for now, this is his first go at Secret Santa, so he wanted to kind of keep it a little bit simple and make sure that everyone got a gift and it was all kind of logistically worked out okay. So yeah, massive thank you to Stack Collector. Really appreciate you putting this together for us. It's a bit of fun, it's something to share with the community, it's a nice Christmassy vibe. So I have no idea who this is from, and I haven't done a Secret Santa for a long time, so I'm not sure even if I'm going to find out who sent me this when I get inside here, because I know sometimes when you do Secret Santas, the person writes from Secret Santa. I know a couple of years ago when everyone did it at my work, and this year I managed to get out of it. They'd done a Secret Santa at my work and there was so many people involved in it, and I managed to get out of putting my name down. I got a bit of pressure from kind of the office team, the office side of things. They kept saying, oh, you're spoil sport and why aren't you getting involved in the rest of it? But yeah, just half the people in the office that work in the office where I work, and I don't even really know them. So I just thought I'd rather stay out of it, avoid all the awkwardness of trying to pick someone's name out of a hat and not having a clue who they are, what they like, and then buying them a present that they open and they're not happy with. So yeah, I managed to dodge it, and I'd done it a couple of years ago at work, and the person that sent me the present just put from Secret Santa. So still to this day, I don't know who actually sent me it. So I don't know if that's how Secret Santa works. I'm pretty sure in my Secret Santa, I sent my business card with it, or I put on there from 365 or something like that. So I might have spoilt the whole thing if I've done it that way around. I can't remember now. But yeah, let's find out. Let's have a little look and see what someone has kindly sent me. Now this is going to be very awkward to unbox without knocking everything over. Oh look, I've got a card here. Wow, already they've outdone me because I didn't put a Christmas card in my Secret Santa. See, this is what I mean. I'm not very good at Secret Santa. I find it hard enough to decide what to get my family at Christmas time, let alone someone that I haven't known that long. But yeah, here we go. So we've got the card. Let's have a look what it says. Ah, it does say who it's from. That's brilliant. So it says, Dear 365, hope you'll enjoy this Secret Santa gift. Have a wonderful Christmas, your fellow stacker, Darth. So thank you very much, Darth Stacker. I will leave a link to his channel in today's video description. I'm glad that they let me know who it's from, so I can actually shout them out and send people over to have a look at their channel. Darth is a very new stacking channel. He makes some great videos, and like I said, I will leave the link to his channel in today's video description, so you can go and have a look at his work. And let's see what he sent me. Now, the criteria was 1 ounce of silver. So that was the only rule, just to send out 1 ounce of silver. You could put an extra little something in there if you wanted to, but the main thing is to send out 1 ounce of silver. So I'm really interested to see what Darth has sent me. Wow, look at this. In a jiffy bag inside a jiffy bag. Oh wow, look, it looks like this is something he's had custom made. Wow, this is really cool. It looks like it's from Pure Scottish Silver, the same place that the Gold 2 Stacker gets a lot of his pieces handmade. Wow, look at this. Pure Santa, December 2023, 50 grams. So we're talking just under 2 ounces. So this person has really broken the rules, because 32 grams is 1 ounce. So they've actually gone over the requirement. So very, very generous, very, very kind of them. This is a premium piece as well, because it's something that's been hand poured by Pure Scottish Silver. Wow, look at this. Very, very cool. So that's the COA. That's the company, Pure Scottish Silver. It's not going to focus because I've got too many lights and things going on in the background. But let's have a look. So this is called Pure Santa. Wow, it's got such a nice bit. Wow, look at that. Wow. 3 nines fine silver. You've got the Pure logo on the back. And it is actually Father Christmas. That is so cool. How cool is that? Look how chunky it is. What a great Secret Santa gift. Really, really chuffed with that. That's brilliant. I'm really adding to my Christmas silver collection. Now I've got not only this piece here, but we also have a silver Santa. And let's face it, there's no better version of Santa than a Santa that's made out of solid silver. Wow, really, really kind, really, really generous, especially considering the criteria was 1 ounce. You've gone above and beyond there, Darth. So really, really generous, really, really kind. Thank you so much for my Secret Santa. And like I said, thank you very much TSC for arranging this year's Secret Santa. Really, really cool. Great idea. And like I said, I know it was a bit complicated to put together and tough, kind of turning people down that wanted to get involved. I'm going to try and put this on a little stand if it's going to work. Yes, look at that. Absolutely brilliant. There we go. Look, so I've gone from having no Christmas setup to really quite a nice Christmas setup there. Let me just put that back down there out of the way. So yeah, thank you very much, Star Stacker. I really, really appreciate that. Such a kind, thoughtful gift. What a great Secret Santa. You've definitely done Secret Santa before. You're a professional at it. Thank you very much to everyone that's watched today's video. I really, really hope you have a fantastic Christmas, whatever you get up to with family and friends. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.